So, time to put togs on. Huh. Well. Oh, boy. Hurricane tape? What the f*** is hurricane tape? Boots on over these clogs. It's not exactly fun. Sorry for the heavy breathing. It happens. Come on, baby. Ooh, toasty warm jacket. I am such a baby. It's like probably 7 degrees out, and I have my heated jacket keeping me warm because I'm a baby and I need to be warm. Oh yeah. By the way, the difference that these togs make is astronomical. So I found out with the hole in the crotch area, there is a really good chance that this, if it rains, I'm going to get wet. Yeah, I said it. That's what she said. Yep. Ooh, horse trailer.
Squirrel!
Nice horse trailer. With the windows. So, the group that was behind us earlier, they're gone now. They're, like I said, they're a phenomenal group, and I kind of wish we had gone with them, because I know for a fact they'll do like fun roads, and we're driving straight there, so it's not a very exciting trip to drive there, because it's super long and super just blast straight roads. There is another path, which I'll ask if we can take on the way back, that goes right along the waterfront. I might even ask if we can turn that way anyways, because this way will get us to a spot where we can choose to go around by the water. I like that direction better because it gets you into Dover without having to worry as much about traffic. It kind of takes you in the back way, which is what we usually do. And then we just ride right in. Everybody else is like, we're still waiting to get in. Oh, so it feels like forever. This whole process of getting married and moving to the States is so scary. It's also pretty expensive. What's going on here? Why are we... Oh, that building's done. Huh. This time we came here, that building was a skeleton. Yeah, no, it's a pretty scary adventure. It's one where we have to have quite a bit of money saved up, and then we're going to start the interview process. And once the interview process goes through, we have to prove that we are a couple and that we've been a couple for long enough. I mean, there are some things I know and some things I don't. And I don't understand what questions they're going to ask. I don't really know his favorite color. Outside of, he really likes orange right now. Things you gotta know, things they require you to know, just to prove that you've been a couple for long enough to be married. You really want to know the stuff that I know about them? You learn real stuff when you're in a couple, things that'll and get under their skin because you have repeated it more than once. I know he tolerates me a lot because I ask questions, and I will ask, not only will I ask the question, but then I'll ask for clarification. Like, are you sure? Yes, honey, I'm sure. Are you triple sure? Yes, honey, I'm sure. I get that a lot. And then I just start giggling, and I tell him I'm irritating you, aren't I? And he'll just say, yep. Oh God, so much fun. We get each other. Oh, what's he doing? Why are you stopping? Oh, it's 60. Yeah, that would be a good reason to slow. Oh, he even got a curb. Wow, we're in like a sophisticated area now. We got a curb for all of like 100 feet. Woo! Oh, look at that curb. No more curb. We got a shoulder again. Yeah, they want to shoulder you out of the way. Ha ha! Stupid joke. Oh, that's nasty. Oh, pig. There's pigs in this place. Yummy. Woo. I don't know about you, but I can handle horses, I can handle cows. But when you go past a pig farm, it is just like death. Oh, you babies, horses. When you go past one of those, it's literally like death. It's just terrible. Yeah. Okay. I think he literally chose the straightest road possible. See, people didn't understand when I said, like, I've never seen curvy roads like I did in North Carolina and Tennessee. I mean, we did a little bit in Kentucky, but Kentucky going through the canyons, it has some technical roads, but there was nothing compared to going through mountain roads in North Carolina and then over into Tennessee. Like, there was nothing comparing it. Like, they were so beautiful and the roads were so well maintained. Like, they were perfect riding roads. I don't know how they maintained them so well. And is that a freaking couch? Couch! Yep, that's an awful looking couch. Woo! Someone kept that in their house? Yeesh. Hopefully that was like the garage one. That is terrible. I don't know what they were doing. Farmers and their big fields. I was picking daisies. So this is why it's entertaining to be me, because I have no idea what I'm going to say, ever. And yelling things like, I'm picking daisies, that sounds fun. Annual Gas Fest. It's a gas. Woo! I don't know about you, but what is Annual Gas Fest? What the f***? Why would you want a gas fest? Like, what are you doing? Gassing each other? Oh, what are you doing? Gas is on sale? Wholesale the gas? Yeah, maybe. 132. That. So right now, gas prices, I don't know about you, but gas prices have been super heinous here. I compared them to the ones in Cincinnati, Ohio. And even with the conversion, if you were to buy gas here, you'd still be paying close to like $4 a gallon or $5 a gallon. No, it was $5 a gallon. We figured it out too. So the price here is something like $5 a gallon. And right now we're paying for motorcycle gas. It's even worse because we're paying $1.55. $1.55. Sorry, not $1.55. Yeah, no, $1.55. It's almost $1.56 per liter of gasoline. My bike, it cost $20 to fill from empty. And yeah, I was on my reserve, so it was pretty empty. And there was still a little left from the reserve because I pretty much went on reserve and then continued on and for a short, like 3 or 4 minute ride, and got to the nearest gas station and filled up. But yeah, it was $20 and like 10 cents or something to fill the bike up. And I mean, I didn't push it. I could have probably pushed it another couple of bucks by doing the shake and shimmy of the bike to see if I could get it to get rid of all the air bubbles. But I mean, that's ridiculous. $20 fills both of Sean's and my bike when I'm down in Cincy. Like, so sad. Oh, that one was a cool looking bike. Had big old wood side cases on it. That passenger ain't going anywhere. They probably have a seatbelt. Wouldn't want a seatbelt, but they could probably take a nap in there. I pulled my glasses down. Sorry, here we go again. There we go.